Hi guys, it's October 1st. So, I feel na i-open natin ang month na to with a month overview reading. So, ano nga ba ang energies currently sa inyong October? Ano nga ba ang mga pwedeng mangyari, posibleng mangyari, and posible nyo ring harapin towards the whole month of October? So, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the energy around the collective for the month of October? Yan. So, this is a collective reading, guys. So, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. We will be tapping into the energy of the collective. So, if this did not manifest in your reality, just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay. These are the energies around you for the month of October. Okay, paano po ang start? How will this collective be entering um the month of October? Okay, we got the Devil and the Three of Cups. So you will be celebrating kasi you have been releasing yung mga toxic connections, yung mga toxic chains, unhealthy chains and connections the past months. So, you will be entering this month na free. Actually, yun yung narinig ko. Free from the toxic connections, free from kung ano man yung mga nag-hold back sa'yo before. I feel na you will be entering October very, nagse-celebrate, 'di ba? Okay, and you will be transitioning towards the middle of the month with strength. So marami ka nang natutunan sa mga previous months and you will have courage na harapin kung ano man iba to sa'yo ng universe ngayong buwan kasi nga marami ka nang natutunan and yung mga lessons na to, parang binigyan ka niya ng lakas, ng courage, ng strength for you to face yung mga kailangan mong harapin this month. So ano naman po ang energy ng middle of October for this collective? Middle of October. Mid-October. We got the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Ooh, we got a divine pairing. So, it's possible na it's possible na you will be meeting someone. Siguro, I'm not sure kung ano man ang um tawag dito, ang inyong mga status, pero you will be meeting someone na with equal energy. So, kaya nyong makipagsabayan sa isa't isa, you are both confident, you are both um, very fiery. So, fiery energy siya with a lot of passion, siguro towards a goal. Siguro makakilala kayo from someone na may parehas kayo ng likes, dislikes, pare-parehas kayo ng passion. But you will be meeting someone na kayang tapatan yung energy nyo or same kayo ng frequency, ng energy together. Ayan. Equal divine counterpart. Okay? So, how will you transition towards the end of the month? We got the Queen of Swords. So, towards the end of the month, you will be direct. So, you will be um very aligned with your truth. So, I feel na you will be confident. You will be very honest with yourself. Yan. So, you will face anything with honesty, with truthfulness, and with direct honesty, okay? And at the end of the month, we got Five of Pentacles and Death. So you will be transformed by the end of the month. So you might be facing a lot of mm, siguro financial problems, pero you will be coming out of it by the end of October, okay? You will be transformed into something na or you will be transformed by these challenges. Okay, pero you will become stronger by the end of the month. So what is the main lesson that this month will be teaching you, will be teaching this collective? Okay? We got the Seven of Cups. So I hear sa Seven of Cups natin na parang this month will teach you na maraming options, marami kang paths na pwedeng tahakin in life. And etong paths na to, hindi mo alam kung ano yung dadatnan nung path na to, pero marami kang choices and it's up to you. Hawak mo kung paano ka mag-move through your life, and it's up to you to choose kung anong path yung tatahakin mo moving forward. Okay? Can I get some advice for this month of October for this collective? Okay, we got the High Priestess and the King of Knight of Cups. So I feel that these cards are saying na there are some things na hindi mo talaga malalaman yung results or yung path um di siya revealed sa'yo. So it's being kept hidden from you for a reason. Pero the Knight of Cups is here because parang naririnig ko dito na approach it with follow your heart. Yun yung naririnig ko dito. Just follow your heart and it will lead you to the correct path. Kung alin man yung pipiliin mo, I feel na yun yung path na para sa'yo. Okay, so if this message resonated with you, ayan, let me know in the comments kung ano man ang mag-resonate sa inyo dito. And just a reminder ulit, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Di naman porket eto na yung lumabas, ito na yung mangyayari sa reality mo. This is the current energy for you this month of October. So, posible pa naman tong magbago, depende sa mga choices nyo sa life. Okay? Ayan. So, I'll see you on the next reading, guys. I hope you will have a happy and prosperous October, everyone. Bye!